Hello, today we'll be going over how to install the BG-SPKit for sump pump applications. The BG-SPKit comes with a BG-SP smart sensor, a pump mounting bracket or a pipe mounting bracket, an AC power switch, and an AC/DC power supply. Today I'll be using a 1/2 horsepower, 4,000 gallon per hour pump at 115 volts AC and 7.1 amps. First, drain the sump pump area. Now you'll want to install the pump mounting bracket or the pipe mounting bracket. Now attach the BG-SP to the pump mounting bracket or the pipe mounting bracket. Now secure all 3 BG-SP sensor wires along the AC power cable sump pump cord using the straps provided. Plug the pump power into the AC power switch. Connect the red wire to the right side positive of the AC/DC power supply DC source. Then connect the 2 black wires to the left side negative of the AC/DC power supply. Connect the yellow wire to the positive in labeled 1 of the AC power switch. Then take the small black wire and connect to the negative in labeled 2 of the AC power switch. Then plug in the AC power switch to the AC receptacle. Plug in the AC/DC power supply into the receptacle. Test pump and BG-SP via the BG-Config app test function. Now your installation is complete. Please visit www.bluebgi.com for more information.